Hello, sixth graders. Happy Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, depending on which day you're choosing to look at this video for the Frayer model examples. Hopefully, this is on a Tuesday and you're getting a good head start. For the next 3 days, we are going to be doing a vocab word a day for these Frayer model vocab words. And these are all going to do with the world religion vocab that you guys completed in the Sweet 16 World Religions chart. Here's a blank template. This is the one that I posted on Google Classroom for you guys to complete. So obviously they're not filled out. Yours will be filled out if you did them on time, which I'm hoping you did, because if you did, you made these next 3 days much, much easier. So I am going to run you through how you should complete this Frayer model. This will be my example, and for this, I'm going to use the definition or the vocab word of cultural diffusion, because obviously that is the one that was provided for you in the Sweet 16 World Religions chart. So I would like you to choose another vocab word. I will have you redo it if you do decide to do the cultural diffusion one, because that is the one that was already provided, and that's cheating. So put some effort in, guys. So for right here, the day one, obviously this template will be the exact same for the next couple days, except obviously right here it'll say day 2, day 3. But for today, since it's the first day, this is Tuesday, I'm going to put my word in the highlighted section right here. So I'm going to type cultural diffusion right here, and that is what I would like you to do for your vocab word. So if you decide to use karma or eightfold path, or you decide to use apostles, that is the word that you are going to put right here. So each and every single day, this word should be different. So definition, this is the easy part. So if you guys did the work on Monday, you can just copy and paste right into that Frayer model box. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. The one that was 16 words or less, I'm going to copy. Oh, my mistake. Hold on. Let's redo that. I am going to copy and paste right into this definition box. So perfect. And I'm going to make it a little larger to make it just look a little bit prettier. All right, looks good. And then what I'm going to have you do is grab an image off of the internet. So for mine, I just Googled cultural diffusion in Google. So right here, so cultural diffusion is the spread of ideas, beliefs, activities, religions from place to place. So I just put that, and then I found an image that I liked earlier. So I am just going to go ahead and insert that into this right here. So insert image, upload from my computer. And it's going to be this one right here. So this image, I'm not sure how well you can see it. Let me zoom in. But this picture is a good representation because it shows like different activities and things that are happening in each like different continent around the world. So I like that one because it shows kind of like the spread of ideas, activity, culture, kind of like all welcoming each other and joining in peace. So that's kind of why I liked that one. I thought that was a good representation of the spread of the ideas from place to place. So let's back this back up. All right, and then world religion. Which world religion is this vocab word associated with? So that is, again, where if you did the work on Monday on your Sweet 16 chart, your life is going to be much easier. It is associated with all religions because you can have the spread of beliefs for any religion no matter what. So I'm going to use a complete sentence and say cultural diffusion is associated or connected with every world religion. And that's it. That is all that I need to do for that box. I'm going to make it not bold, so I know that that's what I entered and not what was in the box to begin with. I'm also going to... All right. And then for right here, for the sentence, it is saying your vocab word cannot be the first or last word in the sentence. So I need to use the word cultural diffusion in a sentence. So I am going to say there is evidence of cultural diffusion in every nation around the world. So By that, I mean that, like, for example, you see like American fast food, that is an example of cultural diffusion when you see that in like foreign countries. When you see foreign things here, that's an example of cultural diffusion from other countries. So there's not one place in the entire world that has not been touched in some way by cultural diffusion. So I'm going to make that a little bigger. I'm going to finish and make it not bold so I know that that's what I submitted. And then right here, I'm just going to spruce this up a little bit and kind of delete this extra space so it just looks a little bit nicer if I can. Perfect. So right here, that is my Frayer model for day 1 of the vocab word. This is cultural diffusion, and that is exactly what I'm going to turn in. This is exactly what I expect from you guys. Make sure that all 4 boxes are filled out, and then that is all we're going to be doing for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, or you can join in on our Google Meets every day at 10 o'clock. All right, guys. Well, that is all. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing all of your Frayer models.